Earlier today, eager Apple fans discovered listings for a new Mac Mini and Mac Mini Tower on the website of Apple authorized seller B&H Photo. Now we have also dug up listings on the B&H Photo website for a new 14-inch MacBook Air powered by an M2 chip as well as a new entry-level MacBook Pro with the M2. These listings were first discovered by an anonymous tipster and confirmed by us. In addition to the Mac Mini and Mac Mini Tower listings that surfaced this morning, the B&H website now includes listing for a 14-inch M2 MacBook Air as well as a new version of the 13-inch MacBook Pro with an M2 chip. As we explained this morning, it is crucial to treat these product listings with skepticism. Retailers oftentimes prepare product listings for products even while they are still only rumored. With that being said, however, the timing here is interesting. The new MacBook Air and the new 13-inch MacBook Pro have both been rumored as being in the cards for WWDC 2022. Rumors of both of these new machines have been circulating for over 6 months. Apple, however, has faced a slew of supply chain issues that have delayed the launch of a new MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. The new MacBook Air is rumored to feature an updated design that takes cues from the M1 iMac. According to recent reporting, it will be available in space gray, silver, gold, and a new dark blue option similar to iMac. Meanwhile, the new 13-inch MacBook Pro is rumored to ditch the touch bar and offer faster performance thanks to the M2 chip. It sits below the higher-end 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro models, which offer additional features like faster performance and better screen technology. The M2 chip inside the new MacBook Pro and MacBook Air and any other M2 machines like the Mac Mini is expected to feature an 8-core CPU, 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, but this time with a more powerful 10-core GPU. Apple promised at WWDC 2020 that the transition to Apple Silicon would be complete within 2 years. As it stands today, the only Mac without an Apple Silicon model available is the Mac Pro. Could WWDC mark the introduction of a new Mac Pro alongside the first M2 Macs? We will know for sure in just under 18 hours. Place your bets in the comments below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and I will see you in the next video.